So and all the doctors that are looking for power chairs, whether you bought a Vibrostat, an EKG, or you're doing vaginal tightening, the best power procedure chair out there for the money is clearly the Doctor's Toy Store Power Programmable Chair Hybrid. Here are the features. You have removable stirrups if you want. You have removable arm boards. Okay, you have a headpiece that'll go up or down, and it comes with a second one. There's a cutout, so if you want to put the patient's face down, you can do that. The leg extends out an extra 1.5 feet for very tall people. You have different controls. You have programmability. You've got the foot control. You've got side buttons on some of the tables. And the other thing is, if you like, we've got swivel. The other thing is we'll embroider your name on the back. That's custom, and that makes you stand out. It's all about your image. Now here's the real nice thing everyone likes about the table. Nice thing is you hit a button. I'm gonna go to my position, my favorite position. I can walk away, wash my hands, scrub up or whatever, and then this goes to your favorite position. Positioning tables takes a few minutes every time you do it, and this one is programmable, so you're gonna save time. Over the course of a month, based on 10 patients a day, you're gonna save 4 to 5 hours in positioning. Time equals money. That's one of the things, one of the best sellers about this. It's also screw driven, which means there's no hydraulics, it won't leak oil, and it's one of our best sellers. You should call the Doctor's Toy Store today and order yours. Trade in, trade up, you'll improve your image. The colors they come in is this is the #1 seller right here. It's kind of like khaki, it flows with everything. So either like a sand color, it's very neutral, or a light gray. You can go with black, we can do Barney purple or lift off pink or lemon lime, whatever color you like, we'll do them. The other thing is when you're done with the patient, you don't have to sit there with a foot pedal and go up, down, back. All I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit reset. I'm done. Call the Doctor's Toy Store today and save money.